I'm about to brain dump more than 30 diamonds for anyone about to take the Mpre.
The Mpre is normally one of the hoops you have to hop before becoming a licensed attorney. It's a 60-question, 2-hour, multiple-choice test on professional responsibility and ethics. Only 50 questions are graded, but you won't know which 10 won't count. You can take the Mpre in March, August, or November. Like the Uniform Bar Exam or UBE, the National Conference of Bar Examiners or NCBE makes the Mpre. Now, your 33 tips to crush the Mpre. Tip number 1, study. Now there's an idea. Even though the Mpre is easier than the bar exam, about 1 in 4 test takers fails. Tip number 2, take a professional responsibility class before the Mpre. The class probably won't fully prepare you, but it should provide a solid start. Tip number 3, see where you're at. Once you've taken a professional responsibility class, take a practice exam before you start studying for the Mpre in earnest. That way you can properly prioritize your studies. Tip number 4, once you know where you're at, focus on mastering the rules you don't know before trudging through more practice questions. Tip number 5, study the right topics and subtopics. By the way, the NCBE lists the basic topics and subtopics covered, and the rough exam emphasis. Also, Crescendo's Mpre outline closely mirrors that list. Tip number 6, know the key terms. The NCBE also lists and defines many of the key words and phrases covered. Use that list. Tip number 7, create a study plan or calendar and follow it. Tip number 8, regularly review. Unless you have a near photographic memory, once or twice through just won't do. Tip number 9, use memory hooks. By the way, Crescendo's Mpre outline comes loaded with memorable mnemonics. Tip number 10, write out the rules that are hardest for you to understand or memorize. Putting things in your own words is very memorable. Tip number 11, use flashcards or have somebody quiz you. By the way, Crescendo offers visual and audio flashcards for the Mpre. Pretty nifty. Tip number 12, review before bed. Studies suggest studying before you sleep gives you more bang for your buck. Tip number 13, 2 words, audio outlines. You can record your own or use Crescendo's. Audio outlines are a liberating way to get the repetition you need. Tip number 14, chunk it up. Study one topic at a time, one subtopic at a time. Studying for the Mpre is like building with Lego bricks. You don't half assemble a castle, and then half assemble a knight, and then half assemble a dragon. You build in chunks, so things don't get too messy and confusing. You should study that way too. Tip number 15, use reliable practice questions, preferably the NCBE's own. By the way, Crescendo has a licensing agreement with the NCBE to use official practice questions. Tip number 16, dissect your mistakes. When you miss a question, figure out why. Tip number 17, sub 120. You only have 120 seconds per question. Practice a little faster than that. Tip number 18, read the last sentence of each prompt first, or the call of the question. This will help you quickly isolate the facts that matter. Tip number 19, no blanks. Blank answers hurt as much as wrong ones. Tip number 20, 1 for 1. If you select more than one answer for a question, you get no points. 1 question, 1 answer. Tip number 21, choose the best possible answer. By the way, the best answer might not be perfect. Tip number 22, avoid absolutes. Answers suggesting a black and white world are usually red flags. Tip number 23, evade the unfamiliar. Test writers like to make up new Latin terms, rules, and exceptions. If you're reasonably competent about ethical rules, odds are that anything that sounds completely unfamiliar is nothing more than an evil trick. Tip number 24, if a question's tough, rule out the easy non